welcome to H-QTV. Very important. Once you get job, if you come to your email, you are going to get a job and you are going to see your earnings dashboard here. You are going to see it. As you can see, I haven't completed any job on this website, but my earnings is showing $0.00, something like that. So how do you connect it? So we are going to use Strip. So for people in Nigeria, you are going to use Strip to collect your payments to Meco. Now Strip you go use. So I've already made a video about Strip. So if you want to connect it to Strip, come to your Strip payments, come to your settings here, can see connected. You are going to see, and I can even set payment setup. Can set it. So and the thing is that I haven't gotten any money from it, so I can even confirm reset. So you will also lose access to your previous payment history and transaction record. That is just the negative side to if I confirm my reset. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to connect again. Okay, so let's go now. So I'm going to select my country. If you want your payment method, if you want to set up your payment method, so my country, Nigeria. So this is how you are going to get started. So I'm going to use Strip. Select payment provider. If you are in Nigeria, you must select Strip because that is what you are going to use to collect your payments. And you are going to set it up. Continue to set up payments. Can see individual. We are opening individual Strip accounts, not business. Continue to Strip setup. So you must click on continue to Strip setup. So right now I'm going to type in my email address. So this video is going to be a little bit fast. So this is the code. I'm going to continue. Just business type, your country. Your country should be Nigerian. Don't forget. Your country should be Nigerian. Don't forget, guys. Country Nigeria, business type individual or sole proprietorship, and click on continue. So just fill this form and hit on continue. So once you fill this form, we are going to continue. Just make sure that you fill this form. They are asking me to verify my ID. So I'm going to skip that for now. So here is what you are going to do. Here you are going to select enter details manually instead. You are going to select that, enter bank manually instead. So I want to use this thing, Swift code. So my account name, the name that is on my account is account number. The account number is UBA, and the Swift code, let's come and look for the Swift code first. UBA Swift code. So this UBA Swift code. So their Swift code is this. What I'm going to copy. Just copy it like this. So I'm going to copy it and come and paste it here. So my bank number, I'm going to just click on that. Just look it as it again. 2277859543, 2277859543. So I have to remove the SSS. Oh, I didn't copy it finish. How many is here? How many? So let me copy it again. Control C. And paste it. As you can see, so I think I made a mistake. The S should be 3. So I'm going to save it now. As you can see, we are done. So you are going to see it here. So they're asking me to start verification. Let me see if they are going to require my face. You will take a photo of a valid ID card, strip with access to this verification data. Okay, you just have to like verify your strip accounts. So we are going to do that in our next video. So I'm going to cancel that. So in our next video, we are going to do that. And once you click on, just click on submit. See you in the next video, guys.